Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to create a scan barcode field in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. So I want to add a scan barcode field in account mobile form. So in this video, we covered these points. Why are we using barcode scan field? How to create a barcode scan field? How to add barcode scan field in account mobile form and then demo. Now go back to the field service mobile app. Let's take a simple example why using this scan barcode field. Imagine you are a technician visiting a customer and their equipment has a barcode label. Instead of typing in the account information or equipment details, you can just scan the barcode with your mobile device. The barcode information goes straight into the account record, saving your time and avoiding mistakes. This makes data entry faster and ensure everything is accurate. Now let's go over how to create a scan barcode field. First navigate make.power apps. Now click on solutions and select the solution in which you are working on. Now click on account. So under the data experience click on forms and now click on account mobile form. First create a custom field. Now click on new table column. Give the display name as scan barcode. Now take data type as single line of text and format is text and behavior is simple and required is optional. Now click on save from here. So first search the scan barcode field. Now easily drag and drop this field into the account form. Now click on component drop down and then click on add component. So here click on barcode scanner control and show component on web mobile tablet. Then click on done button and then click on save and publish. Once the setting is enabled, your field technician can open the Dynamic 365 Field Service mobile app. So this is my Field Service mobile application and then go to the accounts. So click on account from here and now open new account. Now click on new. So you will see the scan barcode field here. To scan a barcode, they can tap on the field and it will open up the camera on the mobile device to scan the barcode directly into the system. This will automatically capture the barcode information and populate it into the barcode field. So this way field technician can quickly capture item number or serial number from equipment, parts or product, making their work more efficient. So in this video we covered benefit of using scan barcode field and how to configure it. Thanks for watching.